So is this mower good enough to be added to your gardening business? Well, let's go and find out.
Right, hi guys. So it's 7 o'clock on a Saturday morning. Kids are still in bed, so I thought I'd come down and get this lawnmower set up. So usually I use an 18-inch mower. This would be better for the handful of bigger gardens that I've got. Now this has a couple of nice features which I'm going to show you just now. And then in a minute, I'm going to obviously start mowing grass and see what it can do. Okay, so this took me about 15 minutes to assemble. The overall build quality, certainly for the price, does feel quite good. It's got a 60-litre box on the back, and it's got a side discharge as well, and it comes with a mulching plug. But I suppose the USP for this particular mower is the push start, which is quite nice. So it's got a battery in here, and to start the engine, you've just got to push this button. It also has the traditional recoil start if and when this battery, needs charging, and it's got a nice little cup holder, which is always a bonus. So what do I think of this mower? Is the start engine a little gimmick, or is this a genuine contender for a mower that I can confidently tell you to add to your business or use as a sole mower for all of your gardens? Let's find out. So first of all, for the price, it handled well, as you would expect. It's heavier than I was used to. And what I kind of fell into the trap a little bit early on was to compare it to my other mower, which you shouldn't, because yes, they're obviously the lawnmowers, but one's designed for large gardens like this. It's got way more power. Without getting into all the specifics, it handles wet grass and, more importantly, maybe mossy grass better than the other mower. The other mower, I'd maybe have to go over it twice. This one would just cut straight through it. So, as it obviously says in the spec, this has got a lot of power. And again, compared to my other mower, and it's only after maybe 5 or 6 days I realised I shouldn't compare the two. So it handled really well. Initially, I thought this is going to be too heavy for me. I'm used to kind of chucking mowers around the garden, and I sort of learned after a few days that I just had to kind of maneuver this a bit differently. I couldn't chuck this around the garden. It was too heavy for that. The smaller gardens, it did do well in. There was one or two where it was maybe a bit too powerful for it, and my other mower would be better suited for that. But it certainly came into its own in the medium to large gardens. It's a little bit slower than I was used to as well. However, because of the larger deck, meant that it was actually quicker, especially, as I say, on the mossy gardens where you might have to kind of go over a couple of times to take the level down. This will just rip through it and leave a genuinely nice finish. If you're watching this and you're not a gardener, if you're just a homeowner, with a big lawn, this gives a professional grade finish. The cut on this is lovely, and it is better than my other mower. I keep referring to the other mower. I don't particularly want to say its brand on here because I'm obviously doing this for Hyundai. Those of you who watch the channel will know what my other mower is. This gives a better cut than that. So, make no mistake about it. And what I thought initially, I would use it for a week, then I would maybe keep it as my spare, or maybe even sell it. Do you know what I mean? It was mine to do what I wanted with. But I have used this on and off more often than not for the past 6 weeks now. And I've kind of gone between this mower and the other mower. But I've got no complaints with this mower. This has been absolutely brilliant, genuinely. And the push start as well, it's not a gimmick. It saves you having to rag the recoil. So it's absolutely fine. As long as you keep the battery charged up, you have to keep it fully charged. So the side discharge as well, it's a handy feature. I wouldn't use it that often, but it's there. The mulching plug as well, it's obviously easy to use. You just pop it in the back. I've got a few gardens where there's mulch, so it handles it well, and leaves a lovely finish still as well, so can't complain with that. It's also good on the fuel. It's got a large tank, fill the tank up. I think it gives us about 2.5 days, 3 days easy, really. Maybe not three, it's probably two and a half days before you have to fill it up again. So, no complaints there. Overall build and design is absolutely as you would expect for a mower like this. And I think for the price point as well, there's obviously bigger and better mowers, but you're paying kind of top dollar for it. This is, I would say, kind of it's budget a bit harsh. I don't know. I don't particularly like the term because it kind of implies things that are cheap. It's not a cheap mower, but you get good value for your money with this one. And yeah, I think that obviously the biggest kind of thing I can say about was that I will be using it. So, happy days really. So I've also just found out, which I haven't used it yet. It's got a little feature on the top of the deck where you can fit your hose, so you can clean the deck hose on it. So that's good as well. It's also got a handle because, as I say, it is heavier than I'm used to. I'm used to kind of picking lawnmowers up and kind of, as I say, chucking them about, but you kind of do it with this one. But it does have a handle on the front, which is obviously designed as it should be. So would I recommend this to you? I genuinely would, and I will be using this on one. I'm not, lying, or I'm not getting paid to say this. Genuinely, it's a good mower. It cuts better than the other mower, as I say. It cuts lower as well. It can get lower. Crying out for that other one just to go a level or two lower. And this one does just that. So honestly, it's a good one to add to your business.